action. Hello everybody, it's Mr. T from the Montessori Academy of Belmont Green. We're doing an astronomy lesson here for our elementary class. And what we want to show you today is the distance of the planets in our solar system. The numbers are going to amaze you. It's so far that the mind can't hardly even get around the distance involved here. And of course, the center of our solar system is our sun. So that's where we're going to start. And for this, this experiment that we're going to do, you have to think about the sun. If the sun was only as big as a nickel, and here it is. Mrs. J. Terrio is holding the sun for us. It's the size of a nickel. So let's go out in our solar system among the planets and see how far they are from the sun. The first planet from the sun is Mercury. It's very close, 36 million miles. And that's how far it would be if the sun was only the size of a nickel. But it's really 36 million miles. And the next planet in our solar system is Venus. It's pretty close to the sun too. It's 67 million miles from the sun. So we're getting out farther, but we're still pretty close. And guess what the next planet is? Ta-da! Our home planet, the Earth. The third planet from the sun. And the Earth is 93 million miles from the sun. And just a little side note, it takes the photons of sunlight 8 minutes at the speed of light to get to the planet Earth. So if it was a sunny day today, the sun we'd feel takes 8 minutes to come from the sun to our Earth. 93 million miles in 8 minutes, speed of light. Now, as we're getting further and further from the sun, we're coming out to our next planet in our solar system. And we have Evie Gerson as our representative. Can you hold up the sign, Evie? From Mars. Here's Mars. Show Mr. Terrio the picture for the label for Mars. There you go, Evie. Thank you. Now, after Mars, these are the rocky planets. Now the distances get to be really something. By the way, Mars is 142 million miles from the sun. So we're getting out there, aren't we? You guys from astronomy class know from our Origin of the Solar System lesson what comes next. It's the asteroid belt. All that junk that's left from when our solar system formed, all those rocks and ice balls that are out there in the asteroid belt. It's where all the junk is. And it orbits around the sun. And it's between Mars and the next planet, which is our first. Whoa, look at the distance. It's our first. Our first gaseous giant. It's Jupiter, the biggest planet. Where's Jupiter? And here's Robin. Hold the sign this way, bud. There's Jupiter. Now we're 483 million miles away. 483 million. Look how much further Jupiter is than Mars. Shall we keep going? Gotta go. Wow, look at that. Shall I keep going? Whoa! Our next gaseous giant is Saturn. Come on, Saturn, Mrs. Gerson and Lily Gerson. Lily, show us the sign there, girl. Thank you. Saturn is 886 million miles away. 886 million. Shall we keep going? Yeah, here we go. Oh my. Look at the sun. Hey sun, how you doing? Woo-hoo! We can barely see you.
Cold over here.
Getting cold out here, yeah. Boy, there's not much sunlight out here. Brr. Wow. Whoop. Uranus. Where's Uranus? Come on, Uranus. Mrs. Terrier's Uranus. It's cold out here because we're 1,783,000,000 miles from the sun. More than 1,000,000,000 miles, Uranus. Shall we keep going? And look how far it is from Uranus to Saturn. Woo-hoo. Those gaseous giants really got blown way out when the solar system formed, didn't they? Man, look at this. Sun, how you doing, sun? Whoa, whoa, here we are. Neptune! Here he comes, Boterio rocked. Here he comes. Come on, Neptune, you can make it. It's far. Show him the label. Neptune, man. 2,800,000,000 miles. Now, the astronomers, the International Astronomers Association, a few years ago decided that Pluto was no longer a planet. It's a dwarf planet because there are many objects the size of Pluto in the Kuiper Belt. But you know what? When I made this material, my rope, my string for this length of the planets, Pluto was still a planet, so I've got it out there. Shall I go to Pluto? Yes! You want to go to Pluto? Sun, can we see you? All right, Bo, you stay here. Uranus, Neptune, you're there. I'm in a hurry because Pluto is so far. Pluto is so far. Where's Pluto? Pluto! Sun! Where are you,
Okay,
sun?
stay here. I'm gonna go.
Mars! Where are you, Mars?
Stay there.
Saturn! Neptune! Uranus! Look at that, how far we are! In our solar system! Thank you, everybody!
Yay!